Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to engage your staff more effectively, but you're not sure how to start. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now, make sure you stick around till the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. Today's tip: expand your search for talent. Because the war for talent is raging and talent is winning, you cannot afford to wait until prospective employees finish school. You need to start as early in the process as possible. By reaching out to students at the high school, vocational school, and college levels, companies can expose their industry culture and career opportunities to students before they officially hit the job market. You may beat your competitors to the punch by acting early. By identifying potential employees before they officially enter the workforce, you can create a positive image of your company as a desirable place to work. So how do you do it? Sponsor talented students who are still in school with the financial support they need to be able to continue their studies. You may invite students to visit your facility and work together in teams on a technical project, or broadcast the benefits of working for your company with Take Your Kid to Work Day events and beyond. If you like these types of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.